YouTube, what do you do? So today we are going to a mineral spa because it's my mom's birthday. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Everybody tell her happy birthday down in the comments. Even if you don't know me, it would just be nice to hear happy birthday from somebody. But right now we getting ready because we got to be there by like 1:45 and it's like 12:50 right now. So it's called World Springs and they have like 40 different pools, a cold plunge. It's my first time doing something like this. Probably a sauna, I don't know. So we're gonna see. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And many more. I just got out the shower. I had to come back and lay down because that was a lot. It was so nice though. I only got 5 hours of sleep, so I'm really exhausted, but that was a nice experience and it got me even more sleepy. We about to go out to eat to this restaurant. It's called something. They got seafood. I'm ready to eat some seafood. Y'all, it's literally the next day because after I ate that food, it was wraps. I woke up at 12:30, almost 1 o'clock because I just was so tired. My body feels good though. We just at the park with it. I kind of just have to work on some different projects for the next month that I just have in mind and want to get out my system. When I have an idea for something, I have to do it because if I don't, it'll pop up again. I'll feel bad and regret that I didn't do it the first time. So that's been the main motto for me for this year. It should just get my ideas out there and see if they hit or a miss, reflect, and move on from there. Today is the last day of Black History Month. Even though Black History exists every day, all year round, people are already sticking together, especially since like everything is going on and systems are being changed. Not only are people coming together for that cause, they're also just more unified because it's February, you know? And I love that. Like since I switched up my social medias and I only interact with certain things, I've just seen a lot of Black people supporting each other. And I joined a group too where it's just Black women, but I've just seen everybody come together and show off their talents, help one another, and just do their best to just making some sort of impact within the community. And I rock with that. I love that. Yeah, February really just showed me a different version of myself. It was nothing but improvement. The road was rocky getting there. We took a bunch of different curves and paths, but we still progressed. So if I could make that much change in 1 month, imagine what I could do in 10. And I feel like by the end of this year, I don't know where I'm gonna be. I don't know what's gonna happen. Things are gonna get better for sure. Better than anything I could expect. I'm excited for that. I feel like I'm on the right path. If I keep pushing and keep doing what I'm doing and just improving and getting better every day, I'm over here yapping. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. They say don't post vlogs if people don't know you, if you ain't popping, because that's goofy. What's the point? But this is my channel, so I'm doing what I want to do. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. I'll see you in the next one.